Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another brow tutorial. If you have oily brows, this video is for you. First, I'm going to be setting my brow using this setting powder from Black Opal. It's a really good setting powder. Allow that to sit in for a while. And next, I'm going to be using the primer from Rimmel State Primer. This is the matte primer. Do not use your silicone primer. It is going to make your brows more oily. If you don't have brow gel, you can use your matte primer. This will keep your brow hairs in place while also keeping your brows matte without you producing oil on your brows as well. I'm going to use that to comb up my brows and allow that to dry. When it's dry, you see that you have like a white cast or your brows are looking gray. That's perfectly fine. You're going to fill it in with the brow pencil. Next, I'm going to be using this brow pencil from Focalor to define my brows. I'm just going to trace my brow. I'm filling the sparse areas. Next, I'm going to brush up my brow hairs to make sure that the product gets into the sparse area. This is how my brows are currently looking like. Next, to clean underneath my brow, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. hydrating concealer, apply it at the back of my hand and going with a flat concealer brush to clean underneath my brow. I don't define the top of my brows using concealer. And next, I'm going to be using the buffing brush to buff out the edges of the concealer, pat that in. And yes, we are done. So this is how my brows are currently looking like. I'm going to show you the before and the after, so you see what my brows were looking like. This is the before and the after. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my other videos to stay connected.